so the graph of y equals a sine x minus b plus c for this given curve is drawn on the grid below. And here they want us to find the values of a, b, and c. Okay, so first things first, with a sine wave, you can see clearly that the range is really messed up. Because from what we understand, and if you're not too sure what it looks like, it's always locked between 1 to -1, yeah, and goes back from 90, 180, 270, and 360. And of course, it's symmetrical as well. Well, not symmetrical, but it goes backwards too. Okay. Now, one thing to note is that if this had a height of 1 and -1, this means that the center is 0. But over here, it looks like it's from -1 to +3. So the center must be over here. So what I would always do is firstly draw the center line, just so you can actually see where it locks to. Now, doing that, you can kind of see that, you know, the height from 0 to 1 is 1. So the distance is 1 here and 1 here. Here you can see the distance is 2. So what this means is that the graph itself has been doubled. So a in this case is a scale factor. It's been scale factored by 2. So we know straight off the bat that a is 2. Okay. Next, you can see that the graph itself has shifted up by 1 because the center is always at 0. If you're going to double graph, this would double to 2 and -2. But for some reason, it's kind of oddly gone to 3 and -1 is here. So it's kind of the whole graph is shifted up from the center. So we can say that for C, it's gone up by +1. So see, this one deals with shifting it up or down. Now the tricky bit is how much did it move to the right by or left? So that's the x minus b. So let's just have a think about this. Typically, if you're going to do it normally, if this was the center, then it would have started from here. And it would have gone up to 90, and then back to 180, and then down to 270. So remember, -1 is the base, 1 is the center, and 3 is the height, and back to 360. So just look at the distance now. You can see from here to here, it's gone from 90 to 180. So it's a 90 degrees change. From 180 to 270 is another 90. And from 270 to 360 is another 90. So that's it. So B must be 90 degrees.